Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thank you for joining me. In this video, we're going to cover how Polycom Pano connected to a touch monitor can allow you to manipulate and control content. Let's say, for instance, we're an ad agency, and we want to contrast and compare our work. Let's start by looking at our typeface and our latest web page designs. We can see that it's all represented well. The photography looks good, and the color template is accurate. Now, perhaps let's analyze our latest watch design, and perhaps even bring up the animation where we're going to use for our latest ad. Okay, so this watch design is going to work well for us, I think. I would like to see us perhaps maybe add our logo treatment near the watch face here. And then I'd like to see the material, we're using titanium, reflected in our product photography. And perhaps we could look at a different logo treatment. And of course, if you look here, this material wouldn't really represent a titanium feel, so we will probably want to change up that as well. So after I've marked up these suggestions to the team, let's go ahead and take a snapshot of that and save it for later. Okay? And that's how you would manipulate and annotate content with Polycom Pano and a touch monitor. Thank you, and please join me next time for more informational videos on Polycom Pano.